Hello and welcome to Icarus, the Craigslist auto posting software that allows you the freedom to choose any city and nearly any posting section across all of. Once you've done that, you can begin the installation process. So you're going to click Next here. If you use a computer that allows others access, you're going to want to select Everyone to allow everyone to use Icarus. Click Next, and then click Next again. And then just wait while Icarus is installed. And there you have it. Icarus has been successfully installed, so you'll click Close to exit. And note this message, use Windows Update to check for any critical updates to the .NET framework. That is important, and you will want to check to make sure your .NET framework is up to date so Icarus runs to its full potential. So you can click Close here. Double-click on this icon to open Icarus, and log in with your username and password that you should have created when you signed up. Go ahead and click Login. The first thing it's going to tell you is please complete your profile to post the ads, so we'll click OK, and the profile window will open up. Now keep in mind, if you ever need to find this again, these tabs up at the top are used to open all the important windows. So to open your profile, you'll just click this profile, and there it comes. So you're going to enter all of your information here. Now keep in mind, this is what your customers will be seeing on Craigslist in the reply button right above your ad. So if there is information that you don't want your customers to have, just leave it out of this section here. But for now, we'll put our email. Put your website if you have one. You can put your address. Put in your city. You can add a cross street if you'd like. And you'll select your state as well. Here's where you'll put your phone number. And again, this is going to be in the reply button of Craigslist. So make sure you put a phone number where you'd like your customers to contact you. And there we go. Now that you're done filling out your profile, down below you will see settings. Now these settings are all important, and they will determine how your ads look and what information your customers will be receiving on Craigslist. So the CL email reply will allow customers to reply by email to your ads. Contact by phone similarly will allow them to call you at this number here that you've put in. Others to contact, this is third parties and solicitors, so we recommend having that off. Title randomizer, image randomizer, and description randomizer. These are randomizer features that make each post look unique to Craigslist. So the title randomizer will add symbols to your title. The image randomizer will add a border around your images and will change the file name. Description randomizer will add text to the end of your description, random words. And again, this is to make each post look unique to Craigslist and to circumvent their flagging filters. So if you have flagging issues, we recommend turning these on. Map display will give a map to your location to your customers. Contact by text will give them the option to text or call you. You can turn that on or off depending. Include other postings. We recommend having this off. If you turn it on, it will show users all the other ads you posted to Craigslist, and it can result in some flagging, so we recommend having that off. When you're all done with this, you're going to just click Save to save your work. Your details have been saved successfully, so you'll click OK, and you can go ahead and close your profile. And again, anytime you need to make changes, it can be found right here at the top. So next I'm going to show you how to load in your Craigslist account to our software. You're going to click on this tab to open your Post Renew Ads window. It will say no ads queue has been defined yet. Please select the ads to post in the queue. We're going to do that in a moment, but first I'll show you how to load in your Craigslist account. So up at the top here you'll see the option to renew ads. Go ahead and click that tab. And here it says CL username and CL password. That's going to be where you're going to enter your Craigslist account information. This is the information that you use to sign in on Craigslist.org. So if you haven't already created an account associated with your email address, go ahead and do that first before you load it in here. And then once you've done that, you can click Save. Your details have been saved. And that's saying that now anytime you post an ad or anytime you go to renew, it will be done through this Craigslist account that you have entered in here. If at any time you want to change your Craigslist account, you can do so just by coming back to your Renew Ads tab in the Post Renew Ads window and change this information and click Save. So now that we've done that, now that we're here on the Renew Ads tab, I'm going to go ahead and show you how renewals work. Now this is a great feature of Icarus. What it does is it goes into your Craigslist account and it checks for any available renewals. And if you don't know what renewals are, this is something on Craigslist where after 48 hours, your ad can be renewed. So when you first post it, it will be on the first page of Craigslist, and as days go by, it will slip down further and further. Well, when you renew the ad, it actually gets pushed right back up to the top, so it's just as good as posting a new ad, and it's a great way to dominate your section on Craigslist. Here we have interval 5 minutes. You're just going to click Start. And you'll see down below here, it's logging into my Craigslist account and it's searching my account for any renewals. And look, it just found one. So if we were to leave this running, it would renew one ad every 5 minutes. And again, renewals can be done every 48 hours. So this ad can be renewed again in 48 hours. If we were to leave it running, it would continue going down the list of our renewals and renewing each one every 5 minutes. And you can adjust this interval, but 5 minutes is our recommended speed. So next I'm going to show you how to create your ads. You're going to go to Upload Manage Ads, and this will open another window that we'll be using. And again, if you ever need to access this, you can just click Upload Manage Ads. Here is a place for you to enter your ad information, so let's go ahead and create one. Enter a descriptive title, not too flashy, but just the basics, but still eye-catching for your customer. Craigslist does prefer that you keep it simple, so just pretend that you have one mattress at your house that you're trying to sell rather than a whole warehouse full, and your ads will probably be more successful on Craigslist. Just a tip. So we're going to put some information about our mattress. White, new, very comfortable. Great. You might want to include a little more information than that. They do like your ads to be detailed, so as much detailed information about your product as you have, it is a good idea to include it in the description. But for now, we'll just leave it like this. You will enter your zip code. You'll enter a price. Make and model if that's relevant to your item. Condition, again, if that's relevant to your posting section. In furniture, for example, you are required to put the condition, so we'll select New. Now we come to the images. This is really simple. All you have to do is click Upload, browse to find the pictures on your computer, select the first image, and click Upload. Now every time you upload an image, it's actually uploaded to our server. So these ads, as well as the pictures with them, are saved on our server so that they won't ever be lost. It's a great feature. Now you're going to hit Browse to upload your second image, and you're going to hit Upload once more. And if you had many more images, you could continue doing this, just clicking Browse and Upload until you've uploaded all the pictures. Craigslist allows you to have up to 24 pictures on your ad. So once you're all done with your images, don't forget to click Save and Exit at the bottom of the local image upload window. And that will save your work. If you are posting to the gig section, you can check this box and select whether it's a paid or non-paid gig. And if you're posting to real estate, you're going to want to select this box and enter these required fields for the real estate section. Oops. But since we are not, we can uncheck that. And now that we've completed our ad, we're ready to save it. This is an important part. Don't forget to click Save Ad to save your work. And as you can see, it transfers right over to the right-hand side. This is the ads bank. This is where all your ads are going to go as you create them. It'll be a long list of ads for you to choose from to post each day. If you scroll over to the right, you'll notice that there are a couple of other options to delete, edit, or duplicate your ad. Now if you click edit here, you'll see that it comes over to where we first input the information, and you can make any changes that you'd like. And once you've made the changes that you want to your ad, you're going to click update, and this will save the changes we've just done to this ad. If you wanted to run the same ad multiple times for the same product, you can click duplicate, and it's a great way to create ads very quickly. This ad has been added to the list. And as you can see, now we have two identical ads. What you're going to want to do if you use the duplicate feature, however, is to hit edit on your newly duplicated ad and make a few changes. This is because Craigslist doesn't like to see repetition in the titles or the descriptions, so we recommend making some changes just to make it look like a different ad from the original. So there we are. And then you're going to hit update to save those changes. And as you can see, we now have two distinct ads created very easily using that duplicate and edit feature. If you ever need to remove an ad, you can also click delete to remove it from your ads bank. So when you're ready to go, you can see here there's an option saying select ads to post. If you didn't want to select to post one ad that day, you can uncheck any ads you'd like. Only the ads that are checked will be loaded into our queue, which I'll show you how to do next. But for the sake of showing you, I'm going to select both. The next thing we're going to do is move on down here to our posting choice. Now this is the best part of Icarus. It allows you to post to any category, as you can see. Gigs, services, housing, and then for sale. So you're going to select the category that you want to post to. For us, we'll do furniture for our mattresses. And then you can select any city that's available on Craigslist. We're going to go to San Diego for this ad. Now once you've selected the posting section and the city you want to post to, you're going to come right down here and click Load Ads. It will tell you your ads queue has been set up. Just go ahead and click OK. And what this means is that your ads are now ready to be posted in San Diego Furniture for Sale by Dealer, because that's what we just programmed in previously. So now you can see our two ads are here ready and waiting to be posted. You're almost done, but this is the final step. You're going to come up here, adjust your interval. 10 minutes is the fastest that we allow in Icarus, and this is because any faster is likely to get you flagged by Craigslist. What this means is it's going to, when I click start, it's going to log into my Craigslist account, and it's going to right away post this first ad for the brand new queen mattress. And then what it'll do if I leave it running is it'll wait for 10 minutes as I've specified here, and then it will post the second ad, queen mattress, brand new. And after you've created a great deal of ads, you'll have a long list here, and you can just leave the software running for as long as you'd like until it has posted all of the ads. If you come down below, you can see it here posting to Craigslist. Don't make any changes, don't click on anything, but if you would like to watch what it's doing, here it's selecting our map. And it's going to upload our images. You may see this window pop up. Don't be alarmed. It's just the software doing its job. Essentially, it's going at the speed that a human would post an ad. And this is because our software doesn't leave any trace of it being a software. So Craigslist isn't able to tell that it's not you manually posting the ad. That's a great feature because it allows you to keep your ads live and stay under the radar from the Craigslist filters. And when you first log in and set up a Craigslist account, it will sometimes ask you to email verify. Now this is easy, but there is a little trick to it, which I'll show you now. So when it tells you email has been sent, please activate the ad manually and then resume your posting. Click OK. And then what you're going to do is pull up the email account associated with your Craigslist account, which is this email right here that we input earlier. So I'm going to go to my email, get my new messages, and here it is. It'll say post, edit, delete. You're going to want to click on that ad. You'll see a link that says this is a password, do not share it. Click on that link. Now this is the trick. It will ask you to accept Craigslist terms of service, but actually don't accept them right away. Instead, what you're going to do is look to the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and you're going to click Log In. We're going to log right into our Craigslist account right here. All right, and then you'll get this message, thank you for posting with us. We really appreciate it. If you click this link, you'll be able to see your live ad right away. Here it is. And as I said, if you leave this continuing to run, it will move on to the next ad in 10 minutes and post that ad. Now, as it says here, if you follow this trick and log into your Craigslist account instead of accepting the terms of service, you'll only be asked to do this 2 to 3 times, after which it'll run through automatically and post your ads automatically. If you have any questions about Icarus, please feel free to give us a call. Our tech support agents are standing by and ready to help you out. Our number is 800-547-6008. Thank you for choosing Icarus.